Hi, good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Blatt, and today is April 9th, 2020. It is Thursday. It is the last day of the week for school, and I'll explain why in a couple seconds. But let's start with the morning. First of all, I want to thank parents for your incredible support. I also want to thank the boys and girls for all your hard work. Your writing and reading has come along just greatly since we've been starting this kind of online teaching. I would like to tell the 6-year-olds what they're going to be doing this morning. First, you're going to be reviewing some of the poetry that you have been doing, that you have done before, excuse me. So you will be talking about rhyme and rhythm and repetition, alliteration, and onomatopoeia. You will be seeing a video, and then you will be writing an alliteration poem, and then you're going to be working in your math book, pages 433 to 436. And then if you finish early, you will be working in your skinny book in pages 203 to 206. Sevens, you have quite a few things that you're working on this morning. You will be working on A to Z. You will be doing some spelling word sentences. You will be taking your spelling test, a quiz on Gabriella, and then in math you will be sorting 2D shapes. We have Friday and Monday off for the holidays. Some people will be celebrating Easter and Passover, and you will be able to spend some great family time together with your family, because you will have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday off. So I hope that you get to sleep in, that you get to listen to music, read a good book, play some games with your family, and just have some quiet time with your family over the 4 days. And I will look forward to seeing you back on Tuesday. Thanks, boys and girls. See you.